welcome to the second lesson dedicated to social media marketing. In the first lesson, we saw what social media marketing is and what are the fundamental steps to follow to create an online presence of your company. Today, we will talk about content marketing and editorial plan. We will start, next slide, we will start with the definition of content marketing. Then we will see what a brand is, what is an editorial calendar, and we will end up with some suggestions and tools for content. So let's first see what content marketing is. Content marketing is the branch of marketing that includes the techniques to create and share relevant and valuable textual and visual content around a brand or product or service, so as to create an engagement that also guides the purchasing process of users. There is no unique model of content marketing plan that can embrace the plurality of strategic approaches and marketing goals. So we will start from the fundamental step that I believe is the creation of a brand for your company. On the brand, we will then build the contents that we are going to share on social channels. So let's begin with what is a brand? A brand is what we refer to as those ideas that people link to a certain product or company. Each person has a personality. Companies have a brand. The brand helps determine the perception that people have of our company and how they might describe it to others. Style, tone of voice, communication, behavior. The company has a specific style, which is the result of the decisions the team took, more or less consciously, when they founded it. In expressing this style, the whole company defines the brand. Our brand should be consistent wherever customers interact with our company. This includes their physical location, if they have one, and their online presence, such as their website, company Facebook page, Instagram business account, as well as marketing materials. A coherent brand helps people recognize the company, regardless of where they interact or connect with it. Structure of the brand. Defining the brand will help us to keep our message consistent, especially if we are not alone in working on it. Here is a useful framework to simplify this process, which focuses on 4 different elements: existence, goal, identity, and connection. Existence. The story of how our company was born is a great starting point to define the brand. Let's ask ourselves these questions to describe the birth of the company. When was it born? Which problem were we trying to solve? How do we solve that problem now? Goal. Goal includes what we do and why we do it. It's the meaning behind your company's existence. Identity. The visual identity of the brand represents the style of the company. This includes the graphics that help people remember and recognize it. Convey the visual identity of the brand through the logo and color scheme that you use in the physical location and in the marketing materials. You can also do it through a set of images to better convey this identity to those who work in the marketing of your company. Connection. Finally, it is important to think about the tone of voice used for the brand. Is he serious or humorous? Formal, informal, or somewhere in between? Respectful or irreverent? Pragmatic or joyful? So now we pass to creation and management of an editorial calendar. What is an editorial calendar? Everything we share online for the company, posts, videos, stories, and ads, is content. An editorial calendar is a way to plan and organize the release of content on social media. It includes what we are going to share, when we are going to share it, where we are going to share it. Why use an editorial calendar? Here is what's possible with an editorial calendar. Establish a process for creating content. Define when, where, and how the content will be displayed. Share content regularly so customers remember you when they are ready to make a purchase. What to release? When we create an editorial calendar, we try to use these three themes: involvement, information, and enthusiasm. Involvement. We share the story of how the company was born. We show how we concretely help the community. We offer people a virtual tour of the store or workspace using photos or videos. Information. We explain what makes the product or service we offer unique or special. We show the background of the store or the store or company. We show people how to use the product or service. Enthusiasm. We announce a new product or service. We share upcoming or ongoing promotions or discounts. We inform the community of upcoming events and the opening of new offices. Where to release content? We share content where our audience spends time. We ask customers which social media platforms they use. We learn from competitors. If a competing company is on a particular platform, we create an account for our company there as well. We publish the same or similar content on multiple channels, so-called cross-posting. Tips to start. When we know what to create, when to create, and where to share it, we establish a process for creating content constantly. Now some tips for getting started. When we know what to create, when to create, and where to share it, we establish a process for creating content constantly. We can find time to do it once a week. We can take photos and record videos throughout the day, for example. What includes an editorial calendar? Editorial calendars can have several formats, but typically include 5 key info. Date, when is the post to release? Theme, what is the topic of your post? Visual description, describe in 1 or 2 short sentences what the image or video of the post is. Format, posts can contain images, videos, or a combination of both. Decide which one you will create for your post. Platform. Where do you want to release the content? Facebook, Instagram, or other? Let's see now some suggestions and tools for the content. Content for social media consists of two main elements, text and visual content. The visual content is the photos or videos, while the text fits to the caption that tells the story represented by the photo or video. The caption is an important element of any social media post. Let's see some tips that can help you writing engaging captions. Prefer briefness and clearness. Write a short caption to capture people's attention. Present immediately the most important information. Encourage people to take action. If you want to encourage your followers to take action, use a style straight to the point. For example, if you have a weekly newsletter, a suitable caption might be subscribe. Use hashtags on Instagram. Search for hashtags and relevant tags and add them to your Instagram captions. So people interested in these topics can find you, and you can expand your audience and engage the communities you care most about. Try to follow these tips and use these tools to create engaging visual content for your social channels. Try different angles. Shoot a subject from different angles. For example, take a close-up photo of your product, associate it with other products, or show a person using it. Design videos for both sound on and sound off. When you create a video, you need to capture attention and pass your message within the first few seconds, even without audio. In case people are watching the video with audio on, make sure the audio is clear. Shoot for mobile devices. Since most people will see your videos on mobile, optimize your content for mobile by making vertical videos. Now, let's see some app for optimization of photos and videos. Layout is an app you can use to make a combination of photos. You can create new visual content from images you have previously shared on social media, or show multiple images in a single social media post. Download the layout from Android or iOS. Unfold. Unfold is a free app you can use to create content with a mix of images and text. You can use it to share news, such as opening a new location, or exclusive promotions. Download Unfold for Android or iOS. Boomerang. Boomerang is a free app you can use to create funny MIDI videos. Use Boomerang to capture different moments of the day and give the community a quick glimpse of what you do. Download Boomerang for Android or iOS. Moyo is a free app that you can use to turn static images into dynamic videos. You can use it to showcase a series of photos, such as a product collection or photos of an event. Download Moyo for Android or iOS. Hyperlapse. Hyperlapse is a free app that you can use to shoot stable and smooth time-lapse videos. Use it to show long process regarding your work. For example, you can shoot a time-lapse video while making a hairstyle or making bread. Download Hyperlapse for Android or iOS. So time is up. Thank you for your time and see you next time. And the next lesson will be about social platforms. We will see together which platform to use, which platform can be more useful or suitable for your company.